If you had told me over 2 decades ago that saving the life of one cat would have changed my life forever, I wouldn't have believed you. But that one cat changed so much. She changed me, and with the creation of Stray Cat Alliance, she changed the lives of hundreds of thousands of cats and kittens in Los Angeles and beyond. And Stray Cat Alliance continues to change, grow, and evolve.
But you climbed in like no one else could do. The day I knew I needed you.
This past year, we have continued to experience an evolution of care. With the backing of countless donors and volunteers, with your support, we can save more lives than ever before.
The day I knew I needed you.
This year alone, we have already taken into care 1,500 cats and kittens from shelters and from the streets. We've returned and trap-neuter returned 550 community cats back to their homes in their neighborhoods through our Return to Home program. We've performed 3,300 exams, saved the eyesight of hundreds of cats and kittens, healed broken bones, and facilitated the spay and neuter of 1,300 cats and given over 4,500 vaccinations thus far.
Oh, baby, you're trying.
Much of the life-saving is done at our ever-expanding medical clinic. Your support helped build our robust medical team, headed by a full-time veterinarian.
The day I knew I needed you.
With the passing of Los Angeles's citywide cat program, we are better able to work within communities to save lives. After 6 years of being able to focus only on unweaned kittens, our Safe at Home program has expanded and evolved to allow us to keep teen and adult cats from being impounded at the South Los Angeles shelter.
You saved me, changing my direction. I'm falling into our connection.
She needs to see the doctor.
This year, we have encountered greater challenges to life-saving than ever before. But we're ready,
Bam, I'm leaving the building.
and we will always evolve to meet the need.
What a good boy.
I was looking for me when I found you.
Together, we are transforming the lives of cats and kittens in need. The situation seems dire, but we have a solution at Stray Cat Alliance. We are the solution. You are the solution.
When I found you.